Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the next video on the channel. Kind of a new topic or idea I have, kits or combinations, whatever you may call it, where I'm just coming up with some ideas on the combination, such as going to start with the Glock 34 as the primary. Of course, all firearms are always safety checked and chamber checked and loaded check. In this case, Glock 34, Gen 3, Surefire X300. This is the regular Ultra model, right? Surefire G2X Pro LED 300 lumen with a switchback from thin. Regular 17 round mag. Magpul improvement to the gun, which is the magwell. 2 Glock 33 round mags. Cold steel Recon Tanto, since this is the practical tactical model. All of this would be open carry for obvious reasons, because again, Glock 34 is not a concealed type firearm. And regular Oakley gloves. One of my favorite gloves, not the favorite gloves, but seem to be matching the kit. So this is the combination for your maybe gun range, maybe home defense, maybe open carry on your own territory, or sidearm for hunting. Gets you opportunity or ability to use a light in the carry model, on the pistol, a light on your belt or in the pocket, in whatever mode you choose to utilize. If you want to use just the gun for walk around, this is a much better option than using the high power light. Of course, it has the high power 300 lumen model. Capacity 17 plus 33 plus 33, so 17, 18 basically, 17 plus 1 plus 66. And the gloves that make it easy to use. The Recon Tanto in this case is the budget model, made from SK5 still, not the expensive Recon Tanto. I have the other models as well, but doesn't fit into this picture. This is your middle of the range, acceptable quality combination. What do you think? Let me know. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.